Oh, well, hi everyone, just a quick update here. Lots going on in the little greenhouse we built, and basically this is the marrows here we actually grew last year, and we're growing some more from our own seed. Nice little healthy plants, as you can see. And these are the courgettes and the tristrums and the patty pan type things, and they've actually been potted on because they're getting too big to be in the smaller type pots, so they've gone into their own individual pots. And they seem to be doing really well. Haven't been too affected by the excessive heat, which is a good thing really. Because these are some more summer courgettes, or British summertime they're called. Bit of parsley there growing. The dahlias are still doing really well. Maybe didn't like the heat, the old leaves gone a bit yellow there, so it could be something to do with the heat, or maybe nutrition in the soil, hard to tell. We've got some chilies just growing, they just decided to sprout down there. And some little white onions. Corn on the cob, or sweet corn, they're doing really well. They've got to be about a foot high, I suppose, something like that. Still no movement on the lettuce at all. Not a seeding, I can't see anything of what's happening there. Only got 2 of the really giant pumpkins growing. There's only 4 seeds in the packet, and out of the 4 only 2 have germinated, as you can see there. Courgettes are companion plants and they're doing really well. Nice strong healthy plants ready to go out when we plant something. The beans, yin yang, not too bad. A little bit of damage to the leaf there, maybe got a bit too hot in here. As you can see, the dahlia's romped away. I think that needs planting in the ground, that does. Down there we've got some kohlrabi and some broccoli and cabbage and stuff growing. Nice little healthy seedlings. Over the back we've got some more cabbages growing. Cucumbers are growing there, they're really quite nice. More chilies, Chinese flat leaf, and we've got some celery coming up down there, which is quite nice really. Our sweet peas are doing really well. I still haven't managed to get the frame put down the allotment for them to grow. But I think that's a job for this weekend, which is pretty good. Obviously we've got some more cucumbers growing there. They're doing quite well. Got some more courgettes here. We've got orange ones and red ones. These are quite nice, strong, sturdy plants. Oh, my labels fell out. Just pop that back in. We never know what's going on in here. There's a couple of reduced plants we bought from Tesco's, 50p. A little clematis. And there you go, it's got some really sort of new leaves growth on it. So I think we've managed to save that one. And another one here, little passiflora. It was £3 but it's down to 60p, I think. There it is. And as you can see, it's got a nice little bit of growth coming on it, so we've managed to save that as well. Our shallots are doing okay. 2 loads of shallots, and our leeks and onions there. Our tea plant, well, that seems to have got new growth in it as well, so we might be having our own tea at some point this year. Got some more onions growing. I've had to move the beans because like they're touching the roof over there, so I'll just pull one out. I mean they're quite a large little thing. Just pop them back down there. Got some more tomatoes growing. We've even got flowers on our tomatoes, most amazing. There's some more down there somewhere. So that's doing all really well. Hanging baskets, they're just inside for a bit of a temporary protection really, in case we get a cold snap. More dahlia cuttings down there. And we've actually got some flowers just starting to show their seeds, so they're doing about. That's heliotropes. Cut and come again salad, total disaster, wouldn't grow that again. Got some more pak choys growing there. More flowers down there. More flowers growing over here. These are oh, look at that, even primrose has just started. Nothing on the begonia front yet. Cosmos, they're doing really well. Hechium, what's that one say? Coleus, not quite sure what that one is. I implanted that. Got some more sweet corn down there, just sort of growing. So that'll come after the main crop. And we took some cuttings of a clematis. One of ours actually, we sort of cut it down, and with the long stems we just took some cuttings, popped them in the side, a bit of rooting hormone, and left them to it, so they should be fine. Internodal cuttings they call that. It's sort of in between the joints, just chop it off, bit of rooting hormone, pop it in, can't fail, they always grow. Right, well thanks for popping, and I'll see you next time.